Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode on Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the world of action cameras, where innovation and rugged performance meet. The spotlight is on the highly anticipated DJI Action 5 Pro, a new powerhouse set to redefine the industry standards. The buzz surrounding this upcoming release has tech enthusiasts and professionals alike on the edge of their seats, eagerly awaiting what DJI has up its sleeve. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the groundbreaking features and enhancements that are expected to set the DJI Action 5 Pro apart from its competitors. The cornerstone of the DJI Action 5 Pro's expected improvements lies in its sensor technology. If the leaks and rumors are to be believed, DJI is pulling out all the stops with a 1-inch sensor, a significant leap forward from previous models. A larger sensor directly translates to better image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions. For action cameras, which often face rapidly changing environments, from bright sunlight to dim underwater scenes, this upgrade could be a game changer. We're talking about potential 5K video recording at 60 frames per second, bringing unparalleled clarity and smoothness to your action shots. Dual touchscreens are expected to return, offering a versatile way to control the camera and frame shots, whether you're in front of the lens or behind it. This dual screen setup has been a fan favorite, especially for vloggers and solo travelers, allowing easy monitoring and adjustments on the go. Beyond the screens, DJI may introduce new materials or finishes that enhance grip and protect the camera from the elements. One of the most exciting rumors about the DJI Action 5 Pro is its potential leap in audio quality. If you've ever used an action camera, you know that audio can often be a weak link, especially in windy or noisy environments. DJI seems to be addressing this head-on with improved audio features. Seamless connectivity with wireless microphones could be one of the standout features of the Action 5 Pro. DJI has been making strides in improving thermal management with its recent releases, and the Action 5 Pro is expected to take this even further. Advanced cooling systems or heat dissipation materials could be integrated into the camera's design, ensuring it remains operational even during extended use in hot conditions. As we await the official launch of the DJI Action 5 Pro, the anticipation continues to build. The leaks and rumors we've explored today suggest that DJI is ready to make a bold statement in the action camera market, challenging established norms and setting new standards for performance and usability. Whether it's the innovative sensor technology, enhanced image quality, or the robust design, the DJI Action 5 Pro is shaping up to be a formidable contender. And if you're as excited about this release as we are, make sure to hit the subscribe button.